Meanie, Melody Kids.
When you finish playing, don't forget, little hands need cleaning yet. Come along, it's time to go to the sink, nice and slow. Turn the water on, let it flow, nice and fresh, not too slow. Little hands touch many things, here and there, everywhere. Grab some soap and rub it in, front and back and in between. Round and round, take your time, clean hands feel so fine. Wash your hands nice and clean, keep them fresh, keep them bright. Wash your hands nice and clean, morning, noon or night. Wash it off, wash it off. Clean hands are almost here. Clean hands help us stay so well, happy, healthy every day. Look at you, all clean and bright. Great job!